All right, so let's go over a Polydoku example. This is the one that is just written in your number 2 box here. So this is an area model, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2. So one factor here with 2 terms and another factor here with 4 terms. So to fill out the inside of our area model, we were going to multiply those outside pieces. So 3x squared times 2x cubed is a 6x to the 4th. 3x times a negative x squared is a negative 3x cubed. 3x times 3x is a 9x squared. 3x times negative 1 is a negative 3x. Negative 2 times 2x cubed is a negative 4x cubed. Negative 2 times negative x squared is a positive 2x squared. Negative 2 plus 3x is a negative 6x. And negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Now, the way that we like to write our sum, right, which just means it's the result of our area model, is by writing it along the bottom here. And then the best way for us to do that is we are going to look at our diagonals. So I've got a constant here, which is a lone term, and then I have my 6x to the 4th, which is also a lone term. But then, if I look at this diagonal here, I've got my like terms of x cubes, here my like terms of x squareds, and here my like terms of just plain x's. So when I write my final answer, I'm actually going to write it on the diagonal, essentially the left side of your box. So this 2 is a lone term. It's going to go right underneath that line here, the left side of that 2 box. The negative 6x and the negative 3x, I'm adding those together. So I would have a negative 9x, and that's going to go along the left side here of that box again. So negative 9x. A 2x squared and a 9x squared is going to leave us with a positive 11x squared. I'm going to add my positive here. And notice how I was on that left side of my box. And then negative 4x cubed and negative 3x cubed is a negative 7x cubed. And then my other lone term, the 6x to the 4th, is going to go on my far left, 6x to the 4th. And so this is my final answer written as a sum. And that's it.